Talking yesterday about the markets, and today something is weighing on this wheat market here in the last couple hours. Have you heard what that's about?
Yeah, I gave out the sell signal to sell my wheat at 478 this morning. You know, Marlon, it's really a whole bunch of nothing. It's, again, markets are extremely quiet. I had to set my alarm clock to make sure I got here on time. There's not much going on. And as far as the tax selling, there could be some tax selling, but again, just for all the farmers and producers out there, there's a much better way to do that without having to realize the tax obligation in 2016. You can actually defer that to 2017 by creating a synthetic around it and locking in the profit. But overall, markets are quiet. There's nothing going on. You know, we did see the market start to rally early, and I'm talking about 6 o'clock Central Time this morning. I think I sold my wheat there, and of course I did step in some manure and bought some corn a little bit lower, but not quite where it is now. So I'm a little bit underwater in the corn market here, but I think that these are, again, continue to be great levels to be a participant. If you think like I do, and you think that over the next year we're going to see improvement, I think these are great times and great levels to be getting in here because we're at real good support levels on the chart levels the way that I look at them.
And for those of you viewing at home, do not adjust your sets. Todd really is in all black and white today, so it's not an illusion here. Anyway, Todd, as you were talking about, the guys are putting profits in the bank here today, but as you look forward to next year, I would imagine the options are going to be terribly popular, aren't they?
Yeah, I think so. Again, if you really understand how to learn how to use them, they become an unbelievably valuable tool to the farmer and producer because you can learn to create synthetic positions around your position, locking in profits while allowing gains to run, or in the case of what we call tax selling, which is more popular in the equity market, you can actually, what we put the box on, the price is locked in, and after the year is over and you want to get re-long, you take the box off. But in the meantime, you've locked in the profit for this year and don't have a tax obligation until at least 2017. That makes it a lot better for the overall investor and trader because, let's face it, farmers and producers are bullish by nature. They're investors because they're investing in themselves for those crops. So bottom line is you might as well take the best advantage of all the code you can as well.
All right, Todd, good information. I appreciate that. Want to take a real quick peek at the cotton market here before we get into the break here, Todd. And on the cotton, we've been on both sides of unchanged here, too. Right now, the March cotton is trading 1 point lower, only one. It's at 63.86 right now. We were up over 64 cents for a while. So we're going to pause for a break. We'll be back with more with Todd Horwitz when we come back in just 1 minute. Come on back.